this is just a quick video. I'm going to take my mask off now because, oh, it hurt my ears. I've mixed the resin and my air purifier is showing a blue light. So I have a bowl in the kitchen that I'm doing like a summer decoration in it. And I will show you that in a sec. I'm going to use my rope method for this because I want the resin to start out quite flat. And I've got large plates, but they go up at the edges and I don't want all the resin floating in the middle, and I kind of want to be able to, I don't care if it's like evenly round or anything. This is kind of the right size. The center is the right size. I'm going to have to push the sides out. It's made of spoons and there's lots of gaps, and my decorations keep falling through. So I'm going to make a clear base. I have some cellophane here. Let me just move this away. I've got and if you saw my last video of mold making, I've already got some shards from leftover resin. I've got some shells in resin here that are going in my kitchen island summer bowl decoration. So I think some of this, anyway, this is cellophane paper, which you would use for basket gifts, available in craft stores, and you can get it online, Amazon. I'll leave the link to that. It'll be in my accessories page. I'm just going to blast my resin a little bit to get some of the bubbles out before I pour it on. It has been resting a little. Because this is really melty. And I haven't got my vacuum chamber yet. That arrives next week. Very excited. Anyway, I'm just going to pour this in the middle and see how much spread I can get from it. That's a little wrinkle. If I'm not going to get that much spread, I will probably tighten the rope a little bit because I don't want it too thin. I don't want it too thick. So let's tighten this a little. That is the beauty of this rope. You do have a lot of control. I mean, not all of it's touching the surface of the table. Most of it is. And I don't think it's going to spread a lot more than that. So let's put some crystals around it. I think I'll use a spoon. So I'm not so ham-fisted. Let's see if I can pop some bubbles without creating I needed new torch. See, that's not doing a darn thing. Let's try my heat gun again. Put it on low. It's doing a better job, but I'm going to let them come to the surface a bit more. I'm not going to put masses of these in. It's just to give a bit of glam. We all need a bit of glam in our lives. Oops, I've got a couple of different colours. Because I wanted to do not exactly a beach theme, but when it comes to summer we do start thinking of beaches or, you know, swimming pools and summer vacations. This bowl is so cute. It's decorated with spoons. It's a bowl of spoons. You'll see in a second. It's in my kitchen on my island. And all the little things fall through it. I did have lemons and limes in it. In this heat, it's really hot here right now. They just go off. And there's a pair of sunglasses. Okay, there's some summer theme stuff going on there, and then this is that. And then I have a whole box of goodies here. That I was debating about. How do they seal these things? Putting on a butterfly. Let's take that off. Oh, get off my finger. Butterfly might be cute. See, now you can see why I wanted it flat, because if it were on a plate that were slightly lifted, that butterfly would be in the middle very shortly. So I think I'm just going to have one butterfly, and I have a few. Oh look, those spoons have sunk straight to the bottom. Let's do some more heat gun. Okay, that's it. We shall come back when that is almost dry and put it in our bowl. So here's my bowl from the kitchen. Don't want to stand it on any resin. And it's so cute, but you can see any like potpourri or anything I'm going to put in here is going to fall through, or the holes. Oh, there is resin on there. Oh, shoot, it's on my hand. I'll wipe it off. Anyway, so I can't do it that way because there's a stand on it. So I shall wait until this is almost completely dry, kind of just bendy. I might even have to put it in the microwave, and then just kind of push it into my spoon bowl for the kitchen. All right, I will come back and we'll finish this off. I think it's about set up now. Every time I put my hand down, it's in something sticky. Well, that's the joys of resin. So I think what I'm going to do is, I did put it on this board, and I think stop saying I think. I know I'm going to move this board out of the way because it's going to be cumbersome. And along with that, I will move my rope. So let me get the board out of the way first. There's some extra plastic attached to it. I don't mind. We'll use that tomorrow. Now I have my rope, which I will move. That's my rope trick. And all I'm left with now is my liner for my spoon bowl, so all my bits won't fall through the cracks. Now, it is very flexible. Let's do this. It's very, very flexible. Remember, I only want it to sit in just like that. I don't want anything different. To me, that would be perfect. It just stayed like that. It didn't move. I don't want any bits to slide down. Please stay like that. I'd be really, really happy. Because like in another hour, I know you'll be set virtually solid. See, that to me is perfect. I don't mind the ripples in it. I love it because, like I said, the purpose is just to stop the little bits falling out. So I will come back once it is finished and on my kitchen island with all its glory bits in it. It's the next day. It's finally dry. I've left it in its spoon bowl as I'm going to use it this summer, but I want to show you other ways that you can use it. So let me zoom in a bit. It's going to be a little bumpy ride. Can I move you down a bit? There. I'm going to move you to the side as you can see me take it out of its spoon bowl. So let me move these wooden sticks were to stop some of the resin falling through. So now I'm going to take the cellophane wrap off. My little delicate bowl. So pretty. I've got a little bit of flashing there that I can pull off. And look how pretty that is. For a little summer centerpiece. And you don't have to put it in something like this. You could, here's a candle I'm going to use. You could just stand a candle in. I've got some little starfish. You could keep it very, very simple and just have like some starfish, some daisies. I've got some nice glittery blue shells. But for this purpose, I'm going to like kind of fill the whole thing up, and this might disappear, but the purpose of it was, as I say, to stop things falling through. So when I've got these, which I'm not sure what these are. They look like some kind of nut. Anyway, so let me take everything out. And here's my bowl. Here's my liner. Oh my gosh. I hope you can see this properly. You know what? I'm going to put that down on its own. I am going to bring you in for a close-up. There, it's on its own. Here we are. Hoping this does it justice. It never does. With overhead lights, and let's see if I hold it up. Oh, let's see if I go by the window. Hi, Lucy. Hi, baby. What are you doing? A little bit better. Anyway, it's completely clear. Not a bubble in sight. And I love that cellophane paper. And you've got the subtle details of the little tennis rackets, the sunglasses, the flowers, and there's a tennis racket hidden in there. The crystals and the butterfly. Love it. Really, really pretty. So, let me put the candle in. Away from the faucet. I will put some stars in and take a picture, but right now I'm going to make my centerpiece up in my spoon bowl. So there you have it, one really pretty and fairly simple, beautiful summer centerpiece for your table. And if you don't have something like this for your resin liner to go in, like I said, you can use the beautiful resin summer bowl on its own as a centerpiece. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!